And now for all the details. In a major achievement over India's anti terror efforts, the United States on Thursday designated the Resistance Front, an offshoot of Pakistan based terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba, as foreign terrorist organization. The terror outfit, which has been active since 2019 and was floated in order to divert attention from the Pakistan based group to avoid FATF scrutiny, has been involved in over 2 dozen cases and had claimed responsibility for the April 22nd Pahalgam attack, which killed 25 Indians and a Nepali national. TRF's designation by Washington as a foreign terrorist organization and specially designated global terrorist enforced President Donald Trump's call for justice for the Pahalgam attack. US Secretary of State Rubio said in a statement announcing the development. India said it appreciated the move, with Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar calling it a strong affirmation of India US counterterrorism cooperation. Notably, following the Pahalgam attack, Pakistan defended the terror outfit, with Pakistan Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar claiming in the parliament that Islamabad worked to remove reference to TRF in the statement issued by the United Nations Security Council.
See, it's a huge victory for India's diplomatic effort. I think a lot of effort had taken place on the diplomatic front in the DC, and that has paid off. U.S. designating as a foreign terrorist organization and especially designated global terrorist outfit is a slap on the face of Pakistan, which has been actually trying to portray that it is a local resistance front constituted of Kashmiri boys, which is not true. It is all more than 90% of the TRF is composed of Pakistani terrorists and foreign terrorists.
Meanwhile, in a major embarrassment for Pakistan, White House shunned the media reports by Pakistani outlets, GeoTV and ARY News, which, quoting anonymous sources, had claimed Trump will be visiting Islamabad, followed by a visit to New Delhi in September this year. In a response to a question by ANI, the White House spokesperson said no trip has been scheduled so far. According to the Dawn News, Pakistan Foreign Ministry spokesperson Shafqat Ali Khan also denied having any knowledge of any such visit. Notably, POTUS is likely to visit New Delhi later this year for Quad's Leaders Summit. However, no date for the summit has been finalized so far. While there was boost in relations between Islamabad and Washington, no US president has visited the South Asian nation for over 2 decades. George W. Bush was the last US president to visit Pakistan in 2006.